Hello again, friends. If you didn't see my last video, then you know it's okay to drink water and get tippy during the day, if you're a graveyard shift worker. That's my not excuse, but reason now. So come and eat with me. Again, I'm having a little bit of leftovers, but come on, we have to have some fried fish and tartar. Please, please, please. I do love hot sauce with everything. Today I'm going Louisiana. Of course, I have my pickled jalapenos. I do have 2 flats. Come back. Oh, just kidding. 3-minute video. Again, I'm new at this. Oh, and then a quarter of this hamburger wrap. I don't think I'll get to that. But anyways, this fish is fire. Oh, hot sauce. Again, a little tartar. I hope your guys' day is going as good as mine. I'm in a bit of a conundrum. I'll share with you soon. I just got a great offer, but I love my job. Again, cheeky wings, a little garlic parm mixed with habanero chili. So good. Again, I'm very new to this. Body positivity, 100%. Please, no hate. Follow me, hang out with me. I'll follow you back. I would love to communicate. This is a time for, gathering and getting together and being a community. And not being dicks. I don't know about guidelines, but I hope that don't, put me in jail. But follow me, because I'm coming right back and finishing this meal with you guys.